Hey everyone, I was just picking my black-eyed peas. And speaking of black-eyed peas, we're gonna go to garden to table cooking them. And guess what? We're gonna show you how. You're gonna love this recipe. Guess what everyone? I'm gonna be cooking Marcus Samuelson's recipe for black-eyed peas with coconut milk, Ethiopian spices too. So let's go, 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 cook, cook! Right now, I'm adding 2 cups of fresh black-eyed peas. Add 1 large red onion. Come on. But not so quick like I did, or you can splatter it all everywhere. I'll let this cook for about 10. Now I'm gonna pour this ground turmeric. Now we're gonna use very seasoning. Now I'm gonna add 1 Roma tomato. 3, 2. Now we're gonna pour in chicken broth. This looks a lot familiar. We'll mix and let it simmer for 20 minutes. I'm gonna add my black-eyed peas now to the stew. Bon appetit!